All right, here we go. Today is game day in the financial markets. We will be hearing from the Federal Reserve and what announcements they're going to make here today at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. I want to correct myself because yesterday I said 2:30. 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, we will hear from the Federal Reserve and what they are going to be doing with their federal funds rate and asset-backed purchase programs or possibly sale. This is the Brent Bruce Daily Morning Edition for September the 21st, 2022. It is now 9:26 a.m. Central Time, and we are really getting ready for the big announcements to come out. Let's take a look and see where we are in the financial markets right now in anticipation of that. But please take a moment, like, subscribe, and share on the YouTube channel. Do that if you appreciate this information, because we want to get this information out to more people. And the Bomb channel that we're using right now is fairly limited. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and share. So where are we on the mortgage-backed security market right now? We are up 14 basis points. The 10-year is down 3. Those are both good signs. That means that the market is anticipating a good report to come out from the Federal Reserve. Let's go over to the stock market. Up 186 basis points. The S&P is up 186 points. The S&P is up 25 points, even in the face of really negative news that came out from Vladimir Putin and Russia about their kind of aggressiveness. Now, usually geopolitical issues like that would cause the stock market to decline and sell off. But again, we're seeing such strength in the expectations from the Federal Reserve that we're seeing these numbers continue to rise even with this type of negative news. So that is good news. Now, what does it mean for us to get good news today? Turn on your TV, put on CNBC or Bloomberg or whoever you want to put on, and watch the announcements. Jerome Powell will come up and go to the podium and speak about the announcement from the Federal Reserve as to what adjustments they're going to make to the federal funds rate. We want to hear that they are going to increase the federal funds rate by 0.75%. Now, that is by far what most people are expecting. Now, myself personally, I would like to see it go up by 100 basis points. The reason is because what we're doing is trying to reduce inflation. We continue to hear that inflation is out of control. We don't know how we're going to get it under control. And I think that if the Federal Reserve came with a bigger hammer than what they've been using, I think it would really make a statement. And I think the markets can handle a 100 basis point adjustment, which is 1%. Now, that is going to make it more difficult for you and I and everybody else because things are going to get more expensive. But we need to have that happen to get our inflation under control, bring it back down. And I'm going to talk a lot further about why this all matters with home loan interest rates, because there's a lot to it. And you need to subscribe to the YouTube channel to really get this information. So we're going to take a look, see how things go. I'm going to be getting back to you later this afternoon after I have some time to digest the announcement. We'll see what the markets do. Overall, right now, the home loan interest rates on the Brent Bruce Daily are about the same as they were yesterday. Haven't seen any change yet because the markets are waiting in anticipation of what we're going to hear from Jerome Powell. I will get back to you here later this afternoon. Make sure you tune in. We'll talk to you again soon.